Welcome to the in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just press one from the volume buttons and you'll see the bell icon here. Just tap once on the bell icon and switch it to this bell icon, and as can you see, we got here the message that our calls and notifications will be muted. That means that at the moment we got just enable the silent mode on our device. And if you want to just turn off the silent mode, tap here again on this bell and switch it again to ring your calls and notifications. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.